I came from nothing. Just a small boy from streets of General Santos City. No shoes, no food, no chance, just a dream in my heart. Boxing gave me a way out. It turned my struggles into strength, my failures into lessons, and my pain into purpose. From flyweight to junior middleweight, 8 divisions. I never picked the easy fights. I choose the hard ones. I move up weight after weight, not to protect a record, but to test my limits. So call me a fighter, call me a warrior, call me proudly Filipino, call me a servant of God. Some people ask, who is the greatest of all time? That's not for me to decide. It belongs to the fans. It belongs to history.